this trip, I will be staying at the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas and excited to experience the views from the first casino on the strip to have balconies. Check-in was a breeze. I did wait in line for about 10 minutes, and for that, a front desk associate helped find a room that was ready on a higher floor and added some food and beverage credit. Welcome to the Cosmopolitan here in Las Vegas. This is their Terrace Studio on the 53rd floor with 2 queen beds. This room is spacious and I feel it will fit a family or a group of 4 comfortably. There are 2 TVs, a living area with a couch and 2 tables, 2 sinks in the washroom, a shower with good water pressure and a bench seat, and a jacuzzi tub. For those who enjoy the convenience of purchasing drinks in the room, there is a well-stocked fridge and a separate one for those who rather buy and provide their own. Early this morning, I decided to grab breakfast and found everywhere to be closed. Instead, I walked around the property. Let's have a look. Now that the Cosmopolitan is part of MGM, you can enter on the second floor from the enclosed walkway that connects Bellagio and Vdara. From Bellagio, it is about a 5 to 10 minute walk, and from the Vdara, it is a lot more convenient. Upon entering, the popular buffet Wicked Spoon will be on the right, and the trendy Italian-American restaurant Super Frico will be on the left. On the other end of this corridor, you will find numerous restaurants and places to eat, including hidden bars, which I will leave you to find if you don't already know, and other places to shop. You will also find their very famous chandelier bar. Eventually, I did get breakfast from Eggslut, which does get busy. I got their sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich, and if you haven't already tried their salted chocolate chip cookie, I recommend you try it. Next to Eggslut was a burger joint called Osteen's. On this trip, I learned they have closed and making way for Maya Modern Mexican. Here on the third floor are sit-down restaurants like STK and Blue Ribbon, where I ate a filet mignon with a side of creamy mashed potatoes, zucchini fries, and a salad. The sides are large enough to share with one or two others. Scarpetta is another option. Online reservations showed that they were booked. However, when we walked over, they did have booths near the bar available. We ordered some drinks and a spaghetti to share. Dad had their pork chops, Mom with her scallops, and I ordered the sea bass. From the end of November to the beginning of January, the Boulevard Pool is transformed into a winter wonderland. The Cosmopolitan is a fun place to stay with quirky decor, amazing views, friendly and helpful receptionists, and many places to dine. I can't wait to be back.